You've been posting videos, spending hours on thumbnails, and yet the views just aren't coming. You feel like you've done everything right, but the numbers say otherwise. Here's the brutal truth. Your thumbnails might be stuck in 2024, while YouTube has already moved to 2026. The rules have changed, and if you don't adapt, your channel is invisible. Our team tested hundreds of thumbnails over the last few weeks, and we found 11 styles that are absolutely dominating the platform right now. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to test next and how to do it in your niche. First, open YouTube's homepage right now. Look closely at what's fighting for your attention. Arrows, circles, big fonts, bright, loud colors. Everything is shouting at you, and your brain starts to ignore it. It's chaos, all noise, nothing unique. But then, something different appears. Plain white background, one main object, no arrows, no clutter. Your eye is drawn straight to it. You pause, you click. This is neo-minimalism, and it works because it's different. It acts like a visual rest stop in a sea of chaos. Keep one subject, make 50% of the thumbnail empty, use only 2 colors, keep fonts readable. White or muted background works best. High contrast draws attention instantly. This style probably made you click this video. Less is more. But remember, trends have shelf life. In 6 months, everyone might copy this style, and then it becomes less effective. That's why you need to check the landscape before posting. Tools like Vid IQ let you preview thumbnails in context. Context matters. What looks good alone might get lost in the feed. Neo-minimalism strips everything down to core elements. But what if you want to show multiple items? That's where the surround style comes in.